For this assignment, you're going to have to change numbers into their different forms. I'll do some with you and you'll have to complete the rest on your own. The first one says, write the number for the words. Number 1, 212. I'm writing it in standard form, 212. 212. Number 2, 2008. 2008. So I need to write 2000, and then in the ones place needs to be an 8. There is nothing in the tens place and nothing in the hundreds place. So I put a 0 in both of those. 2008. Number 3, 991. 900, the hundreds place, 91. 9 is in the hundreds and the tens place, and then 1 is in the ones place. Final one I'm going to do with you, 6,051. 6 is in the thousands place. There was no 100. It didn't say 100 in there. 51. 6,051. If you need to, you can write at the top your thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. And then fill them in as you are going. So when you see 6,000, you can put a 6 there. I don't see hundreds. I see 50, which is a multiple of tens. So I'll write a 5 and then a 1. Then I can fill in, okay, they didn't say any hundreds, so there's a 0 in that place value. Add my comma and then type it in. Let's move down to the next group. Oh, sorry, for this top one, you are completing 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Write the word name for each number. That is word form. When you write them, I would like you to use the typing tool and type out as you speak it. So this number is 783. So I'll start with 780 and then 3. I'll put down at the bottom a spelling sheet for all of these words to help you out a little bit. We'll also do number 12 together. This number is 907. 907. The other two have numbers in the thousands place, so remember you put a comma after the thousands place, even in word form. The next section is write each number in expanded form. Remember, expanded form is when you stretch them out into their place values. We are actually going to do 15 and 17 together. So number 15, I'm going to start in the largest place value. So there are 3 hundreds. The plus sign, you click shift, and then where there's an equal and a plus sign. That's how you get a plus sign. If you can't get it, click a space and then just write it in, or you can just write all of these in if you can't get the typing to work. 300 plus, there is 1 in the tens place. That has a value of 10. And then there are 4 in the ones place. 314. For number 17, we do the same thing. In the thousands place, there's a 7, so that is equal to 7,000. Thousands have 3 zeros, or 3 on the other side of the comma. There are nothing in the hundreds place. You could write a 0, but it doesn't change anything, just like adding 2 plus 0 is still 2, so I'm not going to add that in. There are 80 in the tens place. Actually, just 8 in the tens place, which makes 80. And then 9 in the ones place. Again, you can write this out if you cannot find the plus sign. Finally, write each number in standard form. So you are looking at each number and then writing it in standard form. Remember, standard form is number form. If you need to write out thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones, and then fill in the blanks, you can do that. There are some missing parts in here. If there are any missing parts, you write a 0 in there. I'll do half of number 19 with you. So I'm going to actually write this out. I have my thousands, tens, thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. Hundreds, thousands. All right. So I see there are 5,000. So I'll cross that off and write in 5,000s. Do you see any hundreds in there? There are no hundreds. And I'm going to remember there is a comma between the thousands and the hundreds. I want you to finish the rest and then write your answer on the blanks below. Once you have completed, you can move on to the next part of math.